reveal what you want them to be. They can't become something if they don't see it being done before them. We want sometimes people to be something that we're not ourselves. We have to set the greatest example as fathers, as husbands, as brothers, as uncles, as husbands, or whoever you are, whatever role you fit. Learn how to be an encouragement to somebody else. When you see a young man and you know that he's not doing all that he could be, then it is your responsibility to go and get him and to try to encourage him to be what he needs to be as a great man of God. They sometimes will resent it, but do it anyway. Because if you do it in love, and one of the things I've always learned is don't just go in, that's not going to get it. It's not going to get it. You have to pray first. Yes. You have to seek the Lord. Yes. God, what is it that you would have me to say to these young men so that I can help them to become what they need to be? Yes. How can I be an encouragement to them? How can I show them with my life what it is necessary to be a great man of God? How is it that we look at, and my husband talks on television, what do you see? That's not the real world. I mean, I got hooked on this show, the alligator men, where they're out in the swamp and pulling those alligators out. That's not the real world for me. But I like watching them because I watch them. But one of the things I learned from watching them is that they learn how to become a team. Yeah. They learn how to work together. This man, he took this younger man out. He said, I want to go out. He said, you're not ready. Every time he went in, I want to go out. He said, you're not ready. Finally, when he thought he was ready, he took him out in one of the boats, and he wasn't really ready, but he was out there with that alligator jumping in that boat, and he was jumping back too. What he learned was that it took time for the older gentleman to become the kind of alligator hunter that he wanted to be, so he had to watch him so that he would know how to do what was necessary and how not to do something so that he would not be over in that water with that alligator. That's right. And so that's what I like to do. We teach by example. What I do, somebody else is going to watch. I tell the pastors' wives, and we can be the worst where our husband's concerned, or we can be the best. If we don't encourage our husbands, nobody else will. That's right. If we're disrespectful, everybody else is. But if you respect them and treat them like they're supposed to be treated, the world will do the same thing. If I come in with a nasty attitude, everybody that's around is going to pick up that same attitude. So one of the things you have to learn is men and women, whatever's going on in your life, don't bring it in the church. Amen. Don't bring it in the public. When we were children, my mother had a rule. What happens in the house stays in the house. That's right. And that rule is still with me today. What happens stays where what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.